So hey guys, we've made we've decorated some chocolate bars for Christmas. So let's start with, and we were able to use a lot of washi. So I think washi tape has an expiration, and we were able to use a lot of our DIY embellishments. So that is always good. So let's just go through all of it. Again, the paper that I use to wrap it with is 8.5 by 8 paper. That is, I've had that in my stash for about a good 2 years, so it was a nice feeling to be able to use it. And then I just sewed this side. I'm not a good sewer, but I was able to seal it up like what you saw in the fast video. So this one, I was gonna give this away for work, for people that I appreciate, people that I work with 3 times a week. So that's that. You guys are together through thick and thin, and we have difficult moments together, and I want to be able to show my appreciation to my coworkers who has been there, helped me out with my tasks, and everybody likes to be appreciated during the holidays especially. So I thought combining using my stash and showing my appreciation would be a great idea. And it looks super pretty, so I love that. That's a great combination. Next one, so we were pretty much able to make a lot. Lots of paper was used, and lots of embellishments. Right there. So pretty, and I love being able to use the washi tape. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Thank you so much for your support. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're already an existing subscriber, thank you so much for being here and joining me once again. If you have any suggestions on what to do next, I will still be using my Use Your Scrap Stash. I think that's going to be an ongoing series in my channel. And hopefully I keep on inspiring you guys as I am inspired by other crafters to use your scrap stash. Doesn't have to be scrapbooking, but just using your crafty supplies. Anyway, I hope you have the best holidays ever. Stay warm, take care, have a wonderful crafty day. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.